What is going on, guys? It's Mark here. We're at El Jarocho. We're about to get some tacos, late night edition. Right now it's like 9 o'clock. So let's go ahead and place our order. All right, guys, we're back in the kitchen, in the trailer to see the food's being cooked up right now. It smells incredible in here, like honestly. This is essential right here. I always make my tortas just like this. You gotta put the mayonnaise on it and then you gotta throw it down on the grill, get it nice and toasty. We got the asada right there. Oh yeah, you gotta press it down. Yes, this woman reminds me exactly like my mom. She's just over here whipping it up, no problem. Throwing the cheese down on the grill to get the crust. I've never seen that. That's almost like a Taco Bell move right there. That is crazy. I've never seen a cheesy crusted torta. Sour cream on there.
Sour cream and special sauce too.
Oh, all right, everybody, this is a lengua, which is cow tongue. For all of you that don't eat cow tongue, it's the best, most tender meat right here. Oh yeah, flipping it by hand too, no fear. Tacos are ready now. All right, guys, the food is almost done. Just like one more item left. But this is like a real cool, humbling experience. Like this woman reminds me of just like my mom. So I already know this food is about to be like incredible. I can't wait. You gotta add the mayonnaise on there. Ooh, she is a master at this. Gonna add the beans on there. Oh my God, yes. All that meat and cheese. Little lettuce. Green salsa. That's a big burrito.
Ok, los invito a probar mis tacos aquí en Winston-Salem, North Carolina. Aquí estamos ubicados en la tienda El Jarocho. Está la pequeña taquería. Vengan a probar mis tacos y se les van a encantar. Los invito. Gracias y que tengan buenas noches.
Visítenos aquí en tienda y taquería El Jarocho en la 1900 Walton Street, Winston-Salem, Norte Carolina. Tenemos un extenso surtido de abarrotes, frutas, verduras, cerveza para llevar. Tenemos piñatas, cazuelas, ollas, veladoras, queso fresco, lácteos, leche. También tenemos un surtido en tacos, burritos, quesadillas, sopes, guaraches. Tenemos quesadillas, tenemos gorditas de asada, pastor, lengua, barbacoa, pollo, chorizo, choriqueso, campechanos, quesabirria. Vengan y visítenos en 1900 Walton Street en Winston-Salem. Prueben nuestro sazón y ustedes deciden. Gracias, que tengan feliz tarde.
All right, what is going on, guys? We're finally about to try the food. It smells incredible in here. Like, it smells like a damn food truck in this car. Definitely the burrito right here, yeah. This is the regular, I think, carne asada burrito. Look how big this damn burrito is. Got everything in there. You saw when she was making it, she added cheese into the meat, like a little mixture. You already know the rules. That is spicy. That is absolutely filled. This is heavy too right here. That's a busting ass burrito right there. Absolutely top tier burrito made by that special woman. She was in there whipping it up like Chef Ramsay. Of course, we gotta wash that down with the horchata, but I am so thirsty. I was drinking earlier, so this is about to quench my thirst. Oh, that is absolutely delicious. That is some real horchata right there. You taste the cinnamon, the milk. That is so good and refreshing. Not too thick either. I've had it thick as hell in some other places. Like it was like freaking yogurt. This is perfect right here. Next up, we got the lengua tacos, and lengua is tongue. I've already said that before, the cow tongue, so it's beef. Anyway, you eat tacos, you gotta put freaking the limon on there, the little lime juice. Then you add the green sauce right there. Green sauce all day. I don't really like red sauce. We got the lengua taco, absolutely loaded with cilantro. And I think there's a little cabbage on there too. I've never seen that on a taco, but an onion. So let's go ahead and give it a bite. I don't even have to say nothing. It's like the perfect lengua taco. One tortilla. I don't like the 2 tortilla crab. That just makes me full. Unnecessary. This is like the perfect taco right here. The tortilla is nice and grilled. The lengua is perfect. Like it's so soft and tender, not overcooked. Honestly, don't even taste the little cabbage that's on here. Don't taste it at all. But the cilantro and onions, good crunch. Last but not least, we got some of the girls that are watching this tortas. No, I'm gonna have to cut that out. Oh yeah. So when she was making this torta right here, she like layered the bread and like put some cheese on there. Look at this. I'm about to, don't get too wet right now, but look at this. Oh my God. Dude, that looks crazy. Almost looks like a burger. All right, guys, here goes the torta de asada right here. So asada is regular beef, you know, everybody knows that. Let's go ahead and give it a bite. Bread is nice and crispy. As soon as I bit in there, I got straight jalapeno meat, some of that sauce, the avocado sauce. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Definitely make sure to come out to El Jarocho for your late night taco cravings. You can get a burrito, you can get sopas, you can get whatever you want. Definitely try the horchata. That thing is absolutely perfect. And just come out and support this beautiful family in their store and their food truck. They deserve it.